Thank you so much for clicking on the QR code. We are going to give you exclusive content, exclusive videos of how we get a home ready here in your neighborhood, Sunny Hills neighborhood. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to any of the questions or comments that you guys have with regards to how we get a home on the market. You guys take care. All right, this is day 8 of getting this house ready for the market. We got Chem Dry here. They're inside, giving a nice cleaning to the carpets inside. All right, let's check it out. Nice and clean. Looks very good. Good job, Chem Dry. This weekend we got the home gonna get staged Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So excited to bring you some of that footage. Things are moving along really nicely. Thank you so much for the homeowners who have reached out and just asked questions and provided some good feedback. So really appreciate you guys. We're almost there. Hi, good morning. We are on day 12. We got a little bit of rain this morning. Certainly not going to hamper our efforts here. We're going to keep pushing through. Last couple days we had the Handyman. He came through, did a couple odds and ends that needed to be done here at the home. Today we're going to have Liz Santini Home Styling. She will be staging this home, her and her team, today and tomorrow. So looking forward to seeing her finished product. She does a great job, and she's gonna make this home look even better than it is right now. So we have that going on. On Monday morning, we're gonna have the home professionally cleaned inside and give it that good, fresh, clean look. And then Monday afternoon, we're gonna have the photographer and the videographer coming out here and doing their work for a few hours, and looking forward to their finished product as well. But as we get closer and closer to the launch, I get even more excited because we're going to be able to present this to potential home buyers and their agents, and really looking forward to allowing them to come through those doors and checking out all the work that was put into this home. It's a great house, great floor plan, single level here in the city of Fullerton, and look forward to keeping you guys updated. All right, you guys have a great day, have a great weekend. Take care.